Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you all how to make this very delicious easy blood tonic with just 2 5. First, we'll be needing this leaf that is known as Hospital Tufa in Pidgin English here in Nigeria. It is also referred to as Ugo Ibo in Igbo and Efo Iyana Ipaja in Yoruba. I've never seen this leaf in the market. It is just around the neighborhood. All you have to do is to notify the owners that you want to get some of it and they would let you do that. But just know that it itches the skin once it comes in contact with it, so please be careful while you do that, okay? This has lots of health benefits. It improves blood volume and circulation, it enhances the vision, it increases libido and fertility, it also improves indigestion and constipation relief, it controls blood sugar and aid in weight loss as well. Next would be the garden egg leaves. I got this for just 200 naira. It is vital for heart health. It prevents stomach ulcer and lower blood sugar because of its high fiber and magnesium. You can get this from the markets, unlike the hospital too far that is just around the neighborhood. That brings me to my question. Have you ever seen hospital too far in the markets? Please, I would really love to know. So let me know that in the comment section below. Thank you. Next, I would cut some ugu, that is also known as fluted pumpkin leaves. Before you cut your vegetables, please ensure to wash them properly with some salt and vinegar or just one of them. Pumpkin leaves are a good source of iron which helps boost blood production and can prevent or treat anemia. It improves immunity, it aids digestion, and it also supports weight loss and bone health. For the price, this was sold to me for 1000 naira in the market. I've learned that a lot of people love to cut their veggies in the market because it saves time. And trust me, that is a valid point. But just ensure that while that is done in the market, you inspect it properly so they get to rinse it multiple times, okay? And once that has been done, I think you're good to go. Just avoid rinsing it again when you get home so you don't get to remove lots of the nutrients. I've been able to prep all my vegetables and also some onion. The onion I got for 300 naira. Into the pot, I went in with some uba. I got that for 1000 naira. You can use half of it, which will fit into the 2 5 budget. Okay, I went in with some onions, seasoning cubes, salt, pepper, crayfish powder. I added in some water, stir that together to combine and allow to steam for about 3 minutes. Then I went ahead to add in the veggies in no significant order. Mix them all together and turn off the heat immediately. Now our sauce is ready. You can pair this with yam, rice, beans or as a side dish as well. I hope you all get to give this a try, and if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your comments. I will see you all next time. Bye.